Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to redeem a rewards voucher as well as a club deal voucher using the Club Connect app. First we're going to navigate to the club menu, and then we're going to find Redeem Voucher, and then here we'll see the Redeem Voucher page. Now when a customer comes in and presents a member of your staff with either a rewards voucher or a club deal, there's two methods for redeeming the voucher. The quickest and easiest way is just to click on Click to Redeem Voucher and enter your business's unique PIN code, and then click Finish and Redeem. The customer can show you their club deal or their rewards voucher on their mobile device, and it is simple as clicking the button, entering that PIN code, and then returning the device to the customer and fulfilling that offer. But if you ever run into a situation where you're over the phone and don't necessarily want to hand out your PIN code or online, etc., you can ask the customer to give you this unique code here, and we can use that to redeem the voucher. So we're going to go ahead and take this code. We're going to go here, 1A4, B81, 4B. And then click check. This will pull up the voucher on our system, and here we can click redeem. And just like that, we've successfully redeemed the voucher using the Club Connect app.